In medical device manufacturing, proper wiping is required to produce devices of the highest quality. In order to have a robust cleaning process, device engineers must understand the particle shedding characteristics of wiper materials. In this demonstration, common cleanroom wiping materials are used to clean components typical in the manufacture of catheters. As is evidenced by the before and after photos, particle shedding performance varies dramatically depending on the abrasion characteristics of the wiping materials. The introduction of microfiber and foam wiping materials have enabled engineers to reduce particle contamination in medical device manufacturing operations.